shimmy yeah, shimmy yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy yeah, shimmy yeah, shimmy yeah.
Hello everyone! Today we're gonna be playing a game that's called Cook Pizzas, and public servers is very chaotic, so I'm just gonna create a private one. Didn't work. There's my old one, and join that. I have actually played this before, like testing to see if it would actually work as a video, and we're gonna make something normal, of course, in tradition of the other video on my channel here. Go check that out if you haven't. So we're gonna start with some basic sauce like that, and a knife, bop bop, and chuck that on there, bloop, bam. Alright, and we of course can't forget about the cheese. So just cut that off. Don't grate it, cut it, and cut it like this, and just waste an hour of your time to why don't shred it. Alright, this game's weird. I'm weird. I can't speak. Alright, let's cook it. Epic cooking montage coming up. Alright, it's done, and now we're just gonna, of course, put it on a plate like that. This game makes sense, and you that's probably okay. It's not exactly your order, but like what? Give me money. Alright, $15. I can work with that. That means I did it good. Alright, now it's time to do real pizzas. I'm just gonna put it on plate already so I don't forget. And this pizza, we're just gonna put everything we can see on it. So let me do a montage of me just cutting things. And of course we're gonna do it on the floor, so you know, taste is extra good. I can't still speak. I need to actually learn to speak. That would probably be an idea. But yeah. Oh my god, this is tedious. You don't. You don't. You don't. You don't. Oh my god, I hate these stupid rats, bro. Give me it. Give me it. Alright, I know that I lose this piece of mozzarella and I don't really care. Yeah, you are gonna go in the trash. You know what, I don't really care. Let me just get back to making pizzas through the window, as you do. Alright, and these I'm just gonna put on now. I don't need to wait. Why isn't it going on? Game. What the hell? What do they mean? I can't cut this. I've tried during all this playtesting I've done. You see, I have so much money. What do they mean? Alright, it's gonna be without that. That's goddamn irritating. And I don't even know if that's a word. Annoying. God, I need to learn to speak, bruh. Alright, cutting montage. Where did my... I had 3 mozzarellas because the rat only took 1. Oh my god. Is there... Did it take more? Without I saw it? Oh my god, bro. Right, anyway. I'm gonna put them on now. What? Oh, it's because it's on a plate. I'm so stupid. Just go off, bro. Now I can. Yeah, freaking finally. Oh my god, I'm stupid. Alright, now I can what the? Alright, now I can finally get to making pizzas. So let me just do this. Alright. Oh shit. Did I really just do that? Oh my god. I need to go and find these. It's not like it's hard or anything. It's just boring. Just get on. Alright, finally. And you do too. Alright, now we of course gonna get these on to what? I said break. There's something wrong. These normally break. Alright, now they broke. Alright, let me just break all these on the floor as we do. And there's also one in here. We can't forget about that. That's fine. Alright, let's go. Alright, and let's just get them on. Like that. Like that. And of course, can't forget about that. And maybe a little something like that. Alright, now we need to get all these olives on. Oh my god, what is it with these glasses are not freaking breaking? Oh. Stand by while this goddamn works. Oh my god. Work! Alright, finally. I know I could just empty them out like this, but that's boring. Alright, that's how we like it. Fragile. Alright, let's get all these on. Alright, we don't even have sauce on, so I guess we just need to do that. Like that. I don't even know what this is. It looks disgusting, so we're gonna use it. Alright. So, stand by while I make the most delicious pizza in the world. And wait, I need to imitate a crime scene. Beautiful. Now it looks like there's been murder. And it ain't wrong. There was. Alright. I need to stop with the jokes and focus on putting sauce on this pizza. Alright, we need some more of this. How much is there? Oh my god, there's 7. Oh my god, this is so tedious. I'm doing this for like 15 views. Please just like sub or something for this. This has taken so goddamn long. Alright. Let me speedrun this. Oh, I spilled something. As you can see there, the pizza has also committed a murder. Oh my god, am I already done? Alright, I mean, I'm happy, but shit, I didn't know it was that fast. We need some more fuel. And 2% ink uncoated. So let me just do this. This is Dead Rails all over again. I think Dead Rails is already dead. Is it just me? I don't know. Alright, we're done. So now we can put it on a plate. And you again. This doesn't look like your pizza at all. But let's see. He didn't like it. I'm happy he didn't punch me or something. Alright, let's just there isn't really any much left. You can't say there's any really anything left. I know what we could do. Let me see, where is it? There. Alright, let's see. We need some cheese. So let me just, yeah, you can jump through the glass, but let me see. We need to just carry all this out so we can deliver some more. Wait a minute. Wait, not deliver. Get. Alright, wait a minute. For me to get all this out. Alright. Go, so I can deliver some more. Alright, as soon as this pops up, we're gonna deliver the exact same thing because we're gonna do a cheese pizza. And when I say cheese, I mean a lot of cheese. Shit, I burped again. What the what? What? That was on my food, bruh! What the frick? Since then has it been a problem to just like put all your stuff in the street? Oh my god, let me get all this, bro. And for now, I'm actually gonna put it on the sidewalk so that doesn't happen again. I've never seen that happen. I've played this game like 20 times during playtesting. And what? Alright, let me get these two also. Ow. Oh shit, that actually hurt. Or like it didn't, but I really got. Oh my god, another one of my packages is gone. Oh my god. Alright. Oh why is it a problem to walk in the street? I'm getting so tired of this, bruh. Alright, that's enough cheese. I don't want to get any more. Let me get it in. Wait a minute. This is actually gonna be so... What did I break? Did I actually break that? Shit. Alright, good. That was the first one. So stand by while I do this like 5 more times. Yeah. No, 4 more times. Because I don't care about that stupid source. What the frick? Why can't I like drop and unbox? Alright. 3 more times. Alright, this is the last one. You know what, I'm just gonna put it on the floor, I don't really care. Alright, so let's get this going. This I'm just gonna skip past, it's really boring to watch. So yeah, let me do that. Wait, what? You can just put it on like this? Shit, I didn't know. Right, well that's really goddamn convenient. Oh my god, they just keep on taking all my cheese, bro! Alright, you can put cheese on the floor, why not? Right, but this is already looking really, really good. Just get away. There's so many bugs! You know what? No, no, no. I'm just gonna serve this. I don't even care. Just take it. Drop it! And get... Oh my god, there are so many! You look like a person that would appreciate this. What the hell are he doing? Alright. She liked it! She gave me $10, what the hell? Alright, there's something wrong with her. And for a little bonus round, we are just gonna make the greatest pizza of all time. So we are gonna roll some dough. And we're gonna put it on a plate. A dirty plate, of course. And then we're gonna just give this. I mean, it's probably alright. Just eat it. He liked it! He gave me... What the hell? Alright. You're weird. That's probably good for the mystery blocks today. I don't want to record anymore. I've already been recording for like an hour, but none of that went good. So this was... Oh my god. Alright, but this was my last recording. I don't want to record anymore, and I can't go past this. So, see ya. Like and subscribe and all that. See ya.
Monday left me broken. Tuesday